Hey everyone, this is Yogesh. Welcome to my channel, Utilize Your Business. And in this video, I'm going to talk about ClickFunnels versus Builderall. Which of these two platforms is better? What is the pro and con of each of the platform? And which platform you should invest in it? Let's go. Welcome back. So let's talk about Builderall first of all. Builderall is sort of a platform, all-in-one platform. So if you sign up with Builderall, you don't need any other software for that matter to do your online business. They have funnel builder. So the other thing we talked about is their script generator. So all the tools are available to you. You can use it anytime. You don't need to use all of the tools at all. The last and more other thing that's really good about Builderall is when you want to start with a Builderall. They give you 7-day free trial, but you don't have to put in your credit card info. So that's good. You can use the Builderall, start with their trial for 7 days without putting any credit card information, and see what this platform is all about before actually investing in it. Those are the good things about Builderall. Now let's talk about ClickFunnels. So ClickFunnels, if you are on the online, you probably heard about ClickFunnels. What they are, they're into sales funnel. They're one of the top sales funnel builder platform, and currently they have close to 100,000 users. Now, the good thing about the sales funnel is their focus is on sales funnels. So you can build any sort of funnels you can think sales funnel you can think of, and it could be integrated with any of the other third-party software that you want outside of ClickFunnels. So you can integrate with, if you're in love with ActiveCampaign, you can integrate with that. PayPal, you can integrate with Stripe. You can take an order. You can do the other thing good about the ClickFunnels is you can do upsell and downsell with the one click. So the user doesn't have to input their credit card information all the time. Once it's there, and your user and the leads are saved on the ClickFunnels. Another nice thing about ClickFunnels is they're easy to use editors. They're, it's drop and drag. You can easily use it, or you can actually go and go to Marketplace and actually get one of their sales funnel. You can also get their sales funnel template, and you can use that template for your to build your own sales funnel, so which is very good. Another thing really good about sales funnel is actually you can share your funnel template with another person. So if you have a funnel template which is really good and you want to use it rather than doing it from the bottom up, you can have a pre-made sales funnel which can be transferred from one other user to your account. So which is another great features about ClickFunnels. Now, talking about pricing, the ClickFunnels has two plans. One is their starter, which is $97, where you do require, it's a starter plan, so you do require another third party software, such as for the email marketing and a couple of other stuff, whatever you want to use it for. The second one is $297, which they just rename it to their platinum plan. This plan has a lot of amazing thing in terms of a lot of good training videos that you can be access to a lifetime as long you are paying ClickFunnels user, and this training is on various things that you will need it on your online business, such as the traffic, the ads, the mindset, talking about, and these are the trainings done by Tony Robinson and some of the top leaders. So these are the things that you do get benefits when you sign up with the ClickFunnels. Now, the thing is, with the ClickFunnels, you get 14 days free trial. The thing is, you do have to input your credit card information. That just weeds out the people who are not serious about ClickFunnels. So all you need to do is, for 14-day trials, put in your credit card information. They won't charge anything before 14 days, but you do need to put in your credit card information. So that's a little bit can have people not sign up with the ClickFunnels, but some people who are serious enough and wants to give it a try, this will weed out those people, and have serious looking people will try it with the ClickFunnels. So the final verdict is, if you do like you want a starter plan which is not too expensive and has all the tools, so you don't want to use any of the other tools outside the platform. Builderall is sort of an attractive platform that you can use it and have everything's done for you. If you just want to try the $29.90 their basic plan, and on top of that, you don't have to put any credit card information, and you can start it with Builderall. Now, for the people who really wants to dive into or wants to create sales funnel, which will convert their leads into paying customer and have a robust sales funnel builder program, on top of that, which can integrate with all the third-party uh, platform out there, such as the ActiveCampaign, PayPal, Stripe, and have it with one button, upsell, downsell, and sort of all the features that comes with the sales funnel. You should give a try to ClickFunnels with their and try it with their 14 days free trial plan. All you gotta do is click on the link below in the description, and you can start it. All you gotta do is, and also you need to put in your credit card information. They just want to make sure you are the serious person who is wants to try ClickFunnels. So I'll leave it up to you, but according to my final verdict, it is ClickFunnels for the sales funnels, and nobody can beat it. And if for the people who just wants to give it a little bit of try to see how the feel of it, how the online marketing, online business works, Builderall is the way to go. All right, guys, make sure to subscribe, like this video, and click the notification bell for the next video. See you.